Hey guys, it's Eric. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to swap out an air-water syringe.
Go ahead and make sure that the master switch on your unit is turned off. Next, go ahead and unscrew the air-water syringe handle and mark the water side of the tubing with the Sharpie. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to push down the nylon collars that's retaining the tubing onto the syringe. From there, just use that same flathead screwdriver to pop off the tubing. Apply the tubing to the male prongs on the new syringe. Since you marked the water, it's pretty easy to know where the water tubing goes. Once the tubing is snug, go ahead and use that same flathead screwdriver, pushing the nylon collars up. Screw the air-water syringe handle back on, and you have completed the process of replacing your air-water syringe.
Thanks for watching my video. As you can see, sometimes it's a little easier and less expensive to swap out an air-water syringe on your own than to pay for a service call. Have a great day.